Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about NOK, Nokia. So I've already made a couple of videos on Nokia, so check out all my other videos on Nokia and subscribe to my channel so you guys can stay tuned for my future videos of Nokia. So when we look at Nokia, we already know that the earnings per share
have more than $100 million. Subscribe to my channel so I can teach you how to make millions.
Let me tell you about my day so far. Coffee in Paris, surfed the Maldives, took a little nap on Mount Kilimanjaro. Oh yeah, and I got digits from this Polish chick in Rio. NBA Finals. And all that was before lunch.
I have more than $100 million. Subscribe to my channel so I can teach you how to make millions.
Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about NOK, Nokia. So I've already made a couple of videos on Nokia, so check out all my other videos on Nokia and subscribe to my channel so you guys can stay tuned for my future videos of Nokia. So when we look at Nokia, we already know that the earnings per share is in the negative range. This is something that we know. Now when we look at the news, we can see there's no major news in the short term, but Nokia is coming out with 5G. So its 5G network should help this company a lot. Now, what are people saying about Nokia? We can see Manish Patel, he's saying, damn, a lot of hate for Suri, LOL. And you can see he's bullish on this stock. We can see Samaral still snatching up a share a day and will probably do so for the next few years. I think they are solid 5G play with a safe dividend. That's exactly what I'm talking about, guys. So not only does Nokia offer dividends, but the 5G could be a game changer. Can Nokia reach its glory days? That's the question. Now, this guy right here, liberals suck. I don't agree with that, but he's saying that. And okay, did I miss some news today? But he seems to be bullish too. And then you can see Poke A Rocket says if you can recharge target near $11-12 mark, it's broken. Descending channel, broken the reverse. So it looks like there's actually a lot of bullish over here. Still here from, I'ma stay greedy with this one. Autobot contracts it's where it's at. Earnings will be good. Lots of contracts for 5G rollout will be mentioned. Without any significant increased volume support, I would still considering this as a normal move. But indeed, NOK had turned to positive again. All these people are bullish. It's mostly bullish people. Mostly bullish people talking about Nokia's 5G. The 5G that it was coming out with. Me personally, I thought Nokia's 52 megapixel camera was really cool phone, but It needed better software, better apps, better. And with combination with something like 5G, if they make more phones like that, that'd be a game changer. And if they can make it durable, like, who remembers the old Nokia phones? Those phones were the best. So there you guys have it. You can see Ultra Instinct. I would have added much more here, but not touching right now. Ultra Instinct is looking bullish. You can see MX Crew Chief for life 623. Bid and ask price sizes were equally in the hundreds of thousands on a hot stock. So most of these people are bullish. Now when we look at the analysts are also, they're looking, they mostly look bullish too. The analysts are looking at this company as a buy right now. We can see the company is sort of in the average range, a little less than the average range right now. But the analysts are bullish on this company. They think it's going to go higher, and we can see the stock tweets, all of them. So many people are thinking it's going to go higher. It seems to have a bandwagon, sort of a bandwagon type effect, but not as bad as cannabis companies and Tesla. Now when we look at the earnings, we know the earnings is not that great, but can 5G network turn things around? That's the question. So if they make better phones and their 5G is clearly superior to everything 4G, then that's when Nokia's phone or the Nokia stock can skyrocket. But Nokia needs to do this ASAP, because right now not everyone has 5G right now. So if Nokia can come out of it as soon as possible with something really good, something good software, good camera, 52 megapixel camera or something like that, then we could see this possibly. And if they can make it durable like that old Nokia, who knows what Nokia I'm talking about, the old one, you'll see a lot of memes on it. If they can make it like that, then we'll see your 10,000 turn into 100,000. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let me know what you guys think of Nokia. Let me know what company you guys want me to go over. And let me know what you guys think of the new intro. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. By billionaire Warren Buffett. And essentially what this means is when traders are greedy, they'll keep on buying and driving the price up and thinking that it's going to keep on going up and up and up. But eventually, what ends up happening is the stock ends up tumbling back down to earth from the moon because of greed, and people. That's how people lose a lot of money. And when Warren Buffett says be greedy when others are fearful, what he means is that when others are fearful because the stock plummets and everyone starts selling their stocks at a discount, that's the time you want to start buying companies. That's the right time to buy. But usually people start selling. People call it a crash, and that word crash scares people. Really? Let's change the definition. Instead of crash, let's call it a discount. That's essentially what it is. A discount. That's really what it's all about. So as we can see, the Fear and Greed Index by CNN, what emotion is driving the market right now? What emotion? Right now, the greed is driving the market right now. And the reason for that is, as we can see, the McKellen Volume Summarization Index measures advancing and declining volume on the New York Stock Exchange. During the last month, approximately 8.23% more of each day's volume has traded in advancing issues than in declining issues, pushing this indicator forward the upper end of its range for the last 2 years. And as we can see, the stock price strength, that was the breadth. With the stock price strength, the number of stocks hitting 52 weeks highs exceeds the number of hitting lows and is at the upper end of its range, indicating extreme greed. As we can see, that's why the market kept going back up and up. As we can see, it's in the greed territory. As we can look at the safe haven demand, the difference in 20-day stock and bond returns, stock have outperformed bonds by 2.92 percentage points during the last 20 trading days. This is close to the strongest performance of stocks relative to bonds in the past 2 years, and indicates investors and rotating with stocks from the relative safety of bonds. And when we look at the put and call options, the CBOE 5-day average, the put-call ratio during the last 5 trading days, volume and put options has lagged volume in call options by 36.82% as investors make bullish bets in their portfolios. However, this is among the lowest levels of put buying seen during the last 2 years, indicating greed on the part of investors. And when we look at the market volatility, the VIX and its 50-day moving average, the CBOE Volatility Index is at 15.72. This is neutral reading and indicates the market risks appears low. And when we look at the junk bond market, the yield spread between junk bonds versus the investment grades, investors in low quality junk bonds are accepting 1.74 percentage points, an additional yield over safer investment grade corporate bonds. This spread is much higher than what has been typical during the last 2 years and indicates that investors are highly risk averse. When we look at the market momentum, the S&P 500 and its 125-day moving average, the S&P 500 is 1.04% below its 125-day moving average. During the last 2 years, the S&P 500 has typically been above this average. So rapidly declines like this indicate extreme levels of fear. So as we can see, the greed index right here, the greed over time, we are hitting the peaks. We are heading towards the peak greed moments. However, that being said, we still have more greed to go. So if you're heavily invested, this might be the time to get prepared for a downfall. As we can see, that way when you have cash at hand during times of extreme greed, extreme fear, you can buy stocks and from good companies at discounts. When we look at VictorVest Stock Advisory says that in the short term, the market is mildly bullish. VictorVest advocates buying safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in price at this time. It's made $5 million. Goal is to turn my 100 million into 100 billion. Like this video, leave a comment on the company or stock that you want me to analyze. I go over graphs, charts, news, quotes, forecasting, prices, rating, and reviews. My job is to help you pick the best companies and stocks to invest in so you can become a multi-millionaire. That's multi-millionaire like me. Subscribe so you can become a millionaire and share this video to help your friend become a millionaire too. Don't miss out. Stay on top of your game and ahead of the curve. The world is your oyster. Make hay while the sun is shining. Everyone is subscribing to my channel, so subscribe so you can stay ahead of the curve, so you can come to my show, so you can flow. Comment down below so we both can grow. Like and share this video so everyone can know how to make millions of dough. Subscribe so we both can thrive. Join the millionaire tribe. Watch this video until the end to win the grand prize. It's show. Turn my 100 million into 100 billion. Like this video, leave a comment on the company or stock that you want me to analyze. I go over graphs, charts, news, quotes, forecasting, prices, rating, and reviews. My job is to help you pick the best companies and stocks to invest in so you can become a multi-millionaire. That's multi-millionaire like me. Subscribe so you can become a millionaire and share this video to help your friend become a millionaire too. Don't miss out. Stay on top of your game and ahead of the curve. The world is your oyster. Make hay while the sun is shining.
everyone is subscribing to my channel. So subscribe so you can stay ahead of the curve. So you can come to my show. So you can flow. Comment down below so we both can grow. Like and share this video so everyone can know how to make millions of dough. Subscribe so we both can thrive. Join the millionaire tribe. Watch this video until the end to win the app for free using my link below. If you guys want free $1,000, use my link below for a chance to win $1,000 on my Webull account. And if you want a chance to win $25, make sure you download the app using my link in the description below. Subscribe to my channel so I can go over more news, more companies, and more stocks. I'll cover the earnings per share, the charts, the trends, the ratings, the news, the Sortino ratio and Sharpe ratio, market correlation, PE ratio, cash flow, balance, statements, net assets and liabilities, and many more. Just for watching this video, I'm going to give you the chance of winning the grand prize. For your chance to win, subscribe to this channel and comment down below, future millionaire. That's what you want to write in the comments below. Write future millionaire. For every social media website you share this video, it will increase your chance of winning the grand prize. Share this video on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, to all your social media accounts to increase your chance of winning the grand prize. Congratulations. Don't forget to